Okay, so it's August 19th. We're on the way to a Pinatubo tour. We're actually gonna travel for 2 hours. It's 2 hours. There's rain. There's mommy. It's night. Still what time is it? It's 3:04. Where's my watch? There, 3:04 a.m. Just say hi. I said say hi, I didn't say smile. This is called the Toblerone because it looks like a Toblerone.
Yes.
Now we're hiking. We're actually doing this for like a celebration for my mom's birthday. Doing a hiking tour at Mount Pinatubo.
This is a valley.
Okay.
Not a valley.
You look like swiper, no swiping.
Huh?
So Dora, the fox. Yeah, we have
Swiper ba yung
something.
monkey?
No, it's fox nga eh.
Abo?
Oh.
Aladdin pala yun.
Nature.
Baka may bird ulit.
Yeah, so it's pretty good. We were at the 4x4 earlier. So I'll take videos because it was so bumpy.
Oh.
So rocky. We got these like souvenir caps from the tour place. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. I can't. Now here is like a lake, I guess. I don't know what this is. I think it's a lake. I don't think it's a river or lake, but yeah. The resting stations.
Anong 10? Para sa kanila po yun. 10 pesos? Opo. 10 pesos yan.
Bathroom. Yeah. It's the bathroom. Rain, how's the toilet review go?
Clean.
Oh, nice. Time check. We've been walking for more than 40 minutes. Distance of 3.5 kilometers. meters to resting area. Okay, let's check again. We've been walking for more than an hour. And wait, hold on. Almost 6 kilometers. 5.78. How do you feel?
Okay. I hope my shoes
Are okay? Our shoes are so wet. My mom's and dad's shoes broke like the sole, so yeah. It's still okay because it's NMDs, so like only the rubber came off, but the foam is still there. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. Shy.
Diretso kayo dun sa may sign, no?
Anak na may sign, anak. Okay, so we reached the Mount Pinatubo Crater Lake. My dad and brother went down there somewhere.
Go. Hello. Asa
Hello.
tayo, Rain?
Mount Pinatubo.
Crater.
Later.
Asa sila, ate?
Doon sila, oh.
Andun? Oo, andun sila, ate. Ah, video natin. Ayun sila.
Baba kayo!
Wag na.
Wag na daw.
Asa sila? Ayun, ayun sila. Mali akong size. Yeah, there you are.
Da.
Ah, go.
Ilalim nito, volcano?
Yeah.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Hindi siya sasabog.
Hopefully not. Hello.
Hello.
Pinatubo Crater. Ang tahimik ng ano, anak, ang tahimik. Very tranquil. Tingnan mo ako, may echo. Sigaw ka.
Echo!
Okay, we're now leaving. We're going back down. Going back down is a bit faster. We hiked for like 4 hours and 15 minutes.